Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we will be making century egg with silken tofu, also known as pídàn tofu. We're going to start off with making our sauce by adding in about a tablespoon of soy sauce. We're going to add in about 3/4 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then we're going to add in a little bit of sugar. Now, I'd say about half a teaspoon. I put a little bit too much here. Sorry about that, guys. But a little sweetness never hurt anybody, did it? Alright, so we're going to put that together. We're going to add in a couple drizzles of black vinegar. If you don't have black vinegar, you can use rice wine vinegar. And then we're going to add in our garlic. Oh yeah, can't forget the garlic. Taiwanese and Asian cooking always has lots of it. Here we've got some white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper, just about half of what you see I put in here. Now, these are pídàn, also known as fermented duck eggs. As you can see, the outside looks like a normal duck egg, maybe a little bit darker, but the difference is what's inside. This is what you see in the package of your Asian supermarket. I definitely recommend getting Jyutping, as they are the better brand coming in from Taiwan. Look at this beautiful, vibrant color of the egg. This is done by actually applying a mud base onto the outside of the egg, along with a couple different chemicals. Then you let it sit for about 10 or 15 days, and in the end, it comes out like this. Looks a little weird. Remember, this is Asian cuisine. We all know that there are different types of food all over the world. Hey, by the way, have you hit that subscribe button yet? Did you know that 94% of the people who watch my videos have not subscribed? What are you guys doing? Don't you want to get new episodes as they come out? All right, let's get back to cooking. Now, we're going to cut our egg like so, and then we're going to chop it up finely. Just like this. Now you're going to notice a little stickiness of the egg, just like normal eggs, on your knife. Don't be afraid. It's not going to hurt you. And to be honest, I kind of like the taste of this egg. It's really delicious. If you haven't tried it, this is a nice way to get into something that's a little different, that might be outside of your comfort zone, but tastes amazing. Give it a shot. Now here we are chopping everything up, making sure everything's going to be evenly cut. Just like this. Yes, perfect. I like to put this into a little bowl over here, get everything nice and ready to serve. Now, this is the silken tofu, also known as soft tofu. I like to cut these into 1/4-inch slices. Take a nice sharp knife and just cut like this. Very simple. Once you've gotten them cut, just fan it out a little bit so you've got somewhat of a flat surface. Now you could use half of this if it's just for 2 people, but I've got 4 people eating this today and I like leftovers. Then we're going to add our fermented duck egg onto the top. If some of it comes off onto the side of the plate, don't worry, it just makes it look that much more appetizing. Perfect. Now, you see, we've got a little bit of pickled mustard greens. This is what they look like at the Asian market. Chop them up finely and then add them on top of your eggs. Now we're going to sprinkle some more pepper. Again, I use the white pepper. You can find that at this Asian supermarket and sometimes at your local superstore. All right, now mix up our sauce and slowly drizzle it all over this. You see how the color is nice alongside with that white tofu. And now the pièce de résistance, sesame oil. Add it liberally across all of this wonderful goodness. And then a large amount of green scallions that have been chopped up. Oh, this is going to be so good. Take a look. It's beautiful. It's got dark and green color. It's salty. It's a little sweet, umami, and somewhat healthy. Definitely a good option for an alternative to a protein. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Costs you absolutely nothing, but helps our channel out a lot.